morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be showing you how I decorate the window for Christmas. So if you would like to see how I do it, then keep on watching. First thing I did was put up the garland on the window. I simply attach it on the ends of the curtain rod, and I also place a wire right at the center so it will hold the garland really well. Then I will place this big bow that I made on the ends of the curtain rod. Now I am going to show you how to make a big bow. As you can see, I measured the tail first. I just simply measure it using the width of my hand. As you can see, I measured it 3 times. And then I form a loop about 12 inches long. I'm actually just estimating here. If you want to, you can totally measure it. And then I'm going to form another loop on the left side, and it's the same width or length of the first loop. I also twisted the loop just so the right side of the ribbon is facing out. And I made another loop on the right side, and it's the same length of the first loop. And you can put more loop as you want to, but I thought 4 loops is just perfect. More than that to me looks very cluttered. And then I form another loop on the left side, and then I'm also twisting it so the right side of the ribbon is facing out. And then I adjusted the loops just so they are at the same size. And then I am going to secure the center of the bow using a wire, and I'm just going to twist it at the back. For wondering, I got the ribbon from Hobby Lobby. They were actually 50% off. Now that the loops are secured, I am going to trim off the other tail, and I'm just going to use this short tail as my guide. Then you can trim the tails on an angle or dovetail it or just leave it straight like this. It's totally up to you, whatever your style is. Then I fluffed the bows a little bit more just so it looks nice. I decided to leave the floral wreath at the center just because I absolutely love it, and it goes really well with my color scheme for this year. I got the garland from Walmart last year. It was very affordable. It's not as full as I wanted it to be, but it's okay. This is actually my very first time to decorate the window, so I am super pleased the way it turned out. It is also pre-lit, but I don't have an extension cord that is long enough, so I decided to use a twinkle light that is battery operated instead. As you can see here, I am just adjusting the bow. I just wanted to be fluffy and full looking, so I was just fiddling around with it for a few seconds here. It's time to add the ribbon on the garland to add some volume, just because the garland itself is very thin and skinny, so I decided I want to add some ribbon, and I'm just going to use the same process that I did for my staircase. So I'm just grabbing about 8 inches long of ribbon and then tuck it in under the branch, and then I'm just going to repeat that until I reach the other end of the curtain rod. And this is probably going to be the last Christmas decoration video that I will be posting. I am pretty much done, and I don't want to spend any more money on decorations. So yeah. It's time to add some contrast on the garland. I will be adding these white flowers that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. For this window, I am going for a symmetrical look. That's why I am dividing the flowers like into two. So I just want it to be nice and symmetrical. Now it's time to add some more contrast. I will be adding this white berry spray. So I am also going to put two on each side of the garland. I just love how it adds softness to the garland. And if you watch how I decorated the staircase, it is pretty much the same thing, so it looks cohesive and well thought out. And I will be adding these crystals just to add sparkle on the window. So added some curtain twinkle lights. It actually adds some whimsical touch at night and it just adds softness to the window. I absolutely love it. On top of the sliding door, I just made it super simple. I just used this garland that I got from Joann's a few days ago. As you can see, it's not that long and it actually worked. I really like that it's not competing with the windows because the big windows are my focal point for this dining room. That's it, you guys, and thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you next time. Bye!